This 2023 Airstream Interstate 24 GT is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, DVD player, LP detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, TV, stove top burner, water heater, refrigerator, awning, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2023 Airstream Interstate 24 GT is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.